Hi, I'm Willem Osich, Business Development Manager at BotSplash, and welcome to BotSplash TV. It's no secret that Webchat is starting to become the easiest form of communication between consumer and enterprise. But is Webchat rising in popularity, or is it being dominated by other forms of communication? We see that up to 75% of consumers prefer live chat over any other form of communication. It's actually seen as the most satisfactory form of communication because it puts the power of communication in the hands of the consumers. We see that over 51% of US customers prefer to talk to their businesses 24/7. So it's starting to become more apparent that consumers are finally starting to harness the power of reaching out to businesses on their own time. And businesses themselves are starting to take notice. So it's no surprise that the market cap value of the global live chat software market is estimated to hit $1 billion by 2023. So if you and your company are looking for ways to improve customer engagement and customer service, do consider Webchat. It may very well be the answer for opportunities to unfold for you and your company. I'm Willem Osich. Thank you for tuning in to BotSplash TV, and I hope to see you next week.